In this video, I want to share the 5 lessons that truly, if you implement these into your business, you are going to see bigger success. Let's jump in. I'm Leah Remele. I am a growth strategist and the founder of Growth Getters, which is a monthly coaching membership that helps womenpreneurs grow and get rich on their terms. We are about helping you get more done in less time by making sure you're doing the right things that are going to level up your business and increase your bank account. I'm also a mom, and I just watched the Mars landing with my son because he has been talking about this all week and could not wait. Now, as I was watching, since I am a growth strategist, I could not help but notice the parallels that were so powerful in business. So I wanted to make this video so that I could show you and share with you these 5 tips that absolutely every single business owner should be doing. Strategy number 1 that NASA knows how to use is systems and workflows. They have step after step after step, knowing exactly what to anticipate and what's going to happen next throughout the entire journey. When we think about our customers' journey with us, we need to have systems and workflows in place too. That means that from the very beginning, when they first find you, all the way to when you're trying to get them to become a repeat customer or a raving fan, there is a system in place so that the journey can be duplicated at the very, very best experience for every single client. Number 2, planning for obstacles. They were planning for what could go wrong. And this is one of the big mistakes that entrepreneurs don't do. They plan and execute as if everything is going to go right. Guess what? That is not the journey of entrepreneurship. So when we plan for obstacles, when we look at the goal and then say, okay, what could get in my way? What could go wrong? We are going to improve our chances of success dramatically. And that's exactly what we saw with this landing. The amount of time that was spent in just looking for the obstacles, looking for what could go wrong, and then making a plan for if it did is incredible. And it's something we absolutely should and can do within our own businesses. Number 3, utilize a team. I do not know everything, you do not know everything, but you know something and I know something. And when we bring those brains together, magic can happen. So being part of a team, being part of an opportunity where you can learn from other experts, where you can gain additional insight is huge. And this can happen in 2 ways. Number 1, it can happen as you build a team around you through outsourcing. So if you're really, really bad at design, find someone who can help you with the design and the brand aspect of your business. If you're really bad at creating content, find someone who can help you do that. If you're really bad at being able to organize your time, get an assistant who can help you stay organized. And the second component of utilizing a team, I believe, comes with getting a coach and getting a system in place so that you are learning and growing. And I'm going to tell you, obviously, I fully believe that the best coaching membership that you could join if you are a womanpreneur who is ready to grow and get rich, but only on your terms for a lifestyle you love, without compromising your sanity, then I believe you should absolutely look into Growth Getters, which is my group coaching membership. We get together every month, multiple times, to do group coaching, plus there's one-on-one coaching, monthly trainings to help you elevate your business. It's amazing. Go check it out. Okay, number 4, celebrate your wins. I'm gonna admit it, I actually got emotional when I watched them jump up and cheer and hoop and holler and high-five each other and just that excitement. And I said to each of my kids who were sitting with me, I said, what would it feel like for you to work so hard for something, to put so much energy and time into it, that when you accomplish the goal, it truly was a get up and jump and cheer moment. We can have those in our business. In fact, we are having those in our businesses, but are you taking the time to celebrate them, to actually celebrate what you're accomplishing? And number 5, study the results. One of the mistakes that often gets made by entrepreneurs, but NASA has absolutely nailed, is they are always studying the results. So when you get done with a launch, when you get done with a promotion, when you get done with an email, when you get done with any part of your business, study the results. Are you scheduling time to check your analytics, to study your insights, to see which blog posts are getting the most engagement or are getting pinned the most often on Pinterest? Are you studying the results of these different things you're trying so that you can learn and improve. Because if we're just constantly throwing things out there, but we're not taking the time to check the results, then we're not going to be able to learn and grow and level up the results that we're getting, the things that are happening in our business. So there you go. Those are the 5 incredible tips that we can learn from NASA that was so amazing to see in real time during the rover landing on Mars. I hope this has helped you. I want to know which one is your favorite, and thank you so much for being a part of this.